In today's video from Mystery Side Hustle, I want to talk about how does it work pertaining to mystery shopping. Case in point is very simple and easy. Been doing it for over 12 years. You're going to sign up for your companies. I have a link in the description that I have listed with a bunch of mystery shop companies. Many I have actually worked with myself for over the past 12 years, and some new ones as well that I have looked into to make sure that they are not fake and phony. I recommend signing up for as many as you can because this allows you to go to number two to figure out how much you want to make for that day, for that week, for that month. You literally have the opportunity to figure out how much you want to be paid. Unlike when you work a regular 9 to 5, you have to be told, oh, you're going to make this many hours per week. You get to choose how much you make. And this can make a lot of money for you per day or per week if you sign up with multiple locations. And I have a video and also information on my website showing how you can get started to get everything set up so that you can have them send you all those shops. You don't even have to go look. They can send you all of these shops and you can just browse through them through your email and just see, well, okay, this one's 75, this one's 25, this one's 130. Okay, apply, apply, apply. That's how simple it is, which takes me over here to number three, apply or self-assign. Now, you will see the option to either apply or self-assign between all of the different companies. And that's because self-assign, depending upon the actual assignment, which is maybe like a storage shop and a fast food shop, they will do self-assign because those shops aren't really that important on the scale of like going to an amusement park or, going to a really fancy location like a Louis Vuitton or something like that or Prada. They want to make sure they have the right people going to fulfill this shop. So you will not always see self-assigned, which you can just put your information in, choose the date, and it's yours. You can go up there, read the information, and just start it. With apply, the scheduler will have to go look at your profile. They will look into see what they're looking for to ensure you will be the best person for this assignment. And then you will go to complete and submit. Now, when you complete the mystery shop, I have tips and tricks as well on the website, but typically, I say always be prepared before you leave your home to go to the mystery shop. Always have everything available when you leave the mystery shop that you are supposed to and required to have. So when you submit your mystery shop, there is no hiccups. You don't have to worry about you and the scheduler playing tag team on the chat or your email because something's not right or something's missing or you don't have a document, and then it's weird to go back and ask for it because whatever the situation is. Always be prepared so that you can be organized while doing your mystery shops. Once you complete that and submit that, bam, you get paid. Simple as that. Now, getting paid, you have many options, many locations within these companies that do mystery shops give you a variety of options between PayPal, between Google, between Amazon, between wire transfer, direct deposit. I mean, the list goes on with what options they provide for you to get paid. So this is essentially how mystery shopping works. That's it. It's really that simple. It's really that easy. And you get to make as much money as you choose to make per day.